Students, now let's discuss the question number 3 of exercise 8.2. Write the following decimals in the place value table. Children, here you can see some decimal numbers are given to you and we are asked to write them in place value table. Here you can see one place value table. I have written the places hundreds, tens, ones. After the ones there is a place tenth and hundredth. Now see the decimal number and then we put this in place value table accordingly. The first decimal number is 0.29, right? 0 will come at the ones place, this is 10th place and this is 100th place. See, the digit which comes just before the decimal point always comes at the ones place, and digit which comes after the decimal point always comes at the 10th place. So here you can see I am going to put 0 at the ones place, 2 will come at the 10th place and 9 will come at the 100th place. As there is no digit for 100 and 10th place, we can write 0 0 at 100 and 10th place. Then the next decimal number is 2.08. Again this one is the ones place, this is 10th and this is 100th. So here I am going to write 2 at the ones place, 0 at the 10th place and 8 at the 100th place. Again there is no digit for 100 and 10th place, so we can put 0 0. Now third decimal number is 19.60. This is 10th place, this is ones place. Then this is 10th and this is 100th. So see, we can write 1 at the 10th place, 9 at the ones place. After 9 there is a decimal point and just after the decimal point this one is the 10th place. So 6 will come at the 10th place and this is 100th place, so 0 will come at the 100th place. Now no digit for 100th place, so we can put 0. Then the last number is 148.32. Now this is 100th place, this is tens, this is ones. Now there is a decimal point after ones place, and after the decimal point the place will come 10th and after 10th the place is 100th. So you can write like this. See, 1 will come at the 100th place, then 4 will come at the 10th place, 8 will come at the ones place. It's a 148, or you can say 148. Then after 8 there is a decimal point, right? And the place which comes just after the decimal point is a 10th place. So here you can see 3 will come at the 10th place and 2 will come at the 100th place. So likewise you can put the decimal numbers in the place value table. Now children, come to the question number 4. Write each of the following as decimals. Here you can see the numbers are given in the expanded form and we are asked to write them in decimal. So let's see how to write. The first, it is given 20 plus 4 upon 10 plus 1 upon 100. See, 20 plus 4, they are the whole number. 20 plus 4 become 24, right? So here I am writing 24. Then 4 upon 10 and 1 upon 100, they are fractional part. Now 4 upon 10 means 0.4 and 1 upon 100 means 0.01. It's a 4/10th, it's a 100th. So where they will come? After the decimal point. So here I am going to put decimal point after 4 and then I write 4 1. 4/10th, 100th. So the number is 24.41. Now come to the next. 137 plus 500th. Again 137 is the whole number. So first we write 137. Then we put decimal point. And what is it? 500th. See, just now we have seen just after the decimal point the place will be 10th. But as there is no digit for 10th, we can write 0 at the 10th place and then we put 5 at the 100th place. Hence the number is 137.05. Now come to the third. 7/10th plus 600th plus 4000th. See, in this there is a no whole number is given, right? So we can write 0 for the whole part. Then we put decimal point. Now this is 7/10th. So after the decimal point, 7 will come at the 10th place. This is 600th. So 6 will come at the 100th place. And this is 4000th. So 4 will come at the 1000th place. Hence the number is 0.764. Now see the last one. 23 plus 2/10th plus 6,000th. Again 23 is the whole number. So first we write 23. Then we put decimal point after 3. 2/10th. So 2 will come at the 10th place. Then it is 6,000th. Now no digit is given for the 100th. After 10th, which place comes? 100th. But as there is no digit for 100th, we can put first 0 at the 100th place and then we write 6 at the 1000th place. So the number is 23.206.